comfortably, to comfort and time above, to lean on, wouldn't be good enough for me now. One night of magic rush, to start a simple touch.